What?
See? Look at this. Now easy peasy. That's it.
I'm taking that one.
Hang on. Done. See? See, this one is easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeeze.
Just open like that. And that's it for here.
Let me try this one.
Nice? Which one is nice? I'm gonna try this.
Bye bye. I'm taking that.
Hey! Mmm.
So guys, we're gonna cut the inside because my mom said there's something very yummy inside these coconuts. I already drank it.
All empty?
All empty?
All empty, both empty.
All empty. So now we're gonna see what's inside because I've never. So it's gonna be the very first time doing
Oh,
this.
is it? Let's do it. Let's go. Can I open it?
Alright, I'm the.
I know, it's very true. We can't. Listen, all empty. Okay, now I can. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, with garlic. Oh my.
It's so wide.
Hang on.
Oh. Okay.
Hang on a sec.